In this video, I'll show you exactly how to mount and set up a camera birdhouse from the pole and baffle to the solar panel and Wi-Fi connection, so you can watch your backyard birds live right from your home. To complete this install, you'll need a hacksaw or PVC pipe cutter, a cordless drill with a drill bit, a sledgehammer, small screwdriver, level, measuring tape, and a marker. You'll also need an 8-foot section of 3/4 inch PVC pipe before cutting, and black spray paint if you'd like to finish the pole. Before mounting the birdhouse, you'll need a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi connection. These cameras operate on 2.4G, not 5G. First, choose your installation location. Stand where the birdhouse will be mounted and make sure your phone is connected to your 2.4G network. Test the signal strength at that exact spot. If the signal is weak, consider moving the location or adding a Wi-Fi range extender. Next, download the camera app to your phone. Use the QR code in the camera setup quick guide included in the manual. Scan the QR code, download the app, and follow the on-screen instructions to connect the camera. Once your phone shows a strong signal, power up the camera at that same location. Open the app and confirm the live view is smooth and stable before permanently mounting anything. Be sure to read through the included installation guide. You can also scan the QR code to access the setup video, or just stay right here and I'll walk you through the full installation step by step. Here's what comes included with the birdhouse kit: the birdhouse, the built-in camera, interchangeable bird entrance plates for different hole sizes, a solar panel, the solar panel mounting bracket, and the screws and hardware needed to mount the solar panel and camera components. Now here are the additional materials required for installation: a 4-foot steel rebar, a 3/4 inch PVC pipe, at least 8 feet in length before cutting, a 90-degree angle bracket with screws or bolts for mounting the birdhouse. This camera also requires a micro SD card from 4 gigabytes up to 125 gigabytes. The micro SD card is not included. It is required to store and view recorded footage. You may also use an indoor or outdoor wireless access point. This can be any brand. It is only necessary if your Wi-Fi signal at the installation location needs additional strength. This Squirrel Baffle was not included with the birdhouse kit. However, it is highly recommended. Installing a pole-mounted Squirrel Baffle helps protect the birds from squirrels and even snakes. It's optional, but strongly recommended for added protection and peace of mind. Next, attach the 90-degree angle bracket to the bottom of the birdhouse. Position the L bracket so it sits flush with the back of the birdhouse and centered from left to right. Make sure the bracket is straight before tightening the screws or bolts. This bracket will support the birdhouse when mounted to the pole, so proper alignment is important. In this step, I've added washers to both the birdhouse and the PVC pipe connection points. The washers help distribute pressure and create a more secure mount. Most importantly, when attaching the L bracket to the birdhouse, make sure the wood screws do not penetrate through into the interior of the birdhouse. If the screws extend inside, they could injure nesting birds. Always confirm screw length before tightening everything down. Before driving the rebar into the ground, make sure there are no buried electric, gas, water, or cable lines in the area. Call 811 before you dig. It's a free service, and they will come out and mark any underground utilities. Once you've confirmed the area is clear, begin hammering the rebar into the ground. Drive it approximately 1 foot into the soil, depending on ground conditions. In softer soil, you may want to drive it deeper for added stability. The more rebar secured in the ground, the stronger the support for the pole. Use a level as you hammer to ensure the rebar stays vertical. An alternative method would be to dig a hole and set the pole in concrete. However, using the rebar method allows you to easily relocate the birdhouse later if needed. Now cut the PVC pipe to your desired length. Keep in mind, different bird species prefer different mounting heights. Research the type of bird you would like to attract before making your final cut. Also remember, the higher the birdhouse is mounted, the more difficult it may be to access the camera later without a ladder. Choose a height that balances bird preference and practical access. For this installation, we chose to mount the solar panel directly to the birdhouse itself. There's enough space inside the top section to neatly store the extra cord. However, the included solar cable is approximately 15 feet long. If your installation location does not receive enough direct sunlight, you can run the cable to a separate mounting location that gets better sun exposure. In this step, we chose to paint the PVC pole black so it blends in better with the background. This is completely optional. You can leave the PVC pipe its original white color if you prefer. In this final step, we installed the squirrel baffle on the pole beneath the birdhouse. The baffle helps prevent squirrels and other climbing predators from reaching the nest. Adding this layer of protection helps keep the birds safe and the nesting area secure. Assemble the baffle panels using the included screws and nuts. Hold the nut with a wrench and tighten the screw with a screwdriver. Once assembled, mount the clamp around the pole at least 6 feet above ground. Then secure it firmly in place. That completes the installation of your camera birdhouse. We wish you the best as you welcome new visitors to your backyard. If you're interested in building this project, we've included affiliate links in the description below for the birdhouse, the squirrel baffle, and the Wi-Fi extender. Using those links helps support the channel at no additional cost to you. And if you have questions or would like to see more projects like this, visit us at imaginethatdiy.com. You can also connect with us on Facebook and Instagram at imaginethatdiy. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss future builds, tips, and reviews. If you found this helpful and would like to support the channel even more, you can always buy us a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next project.